All right, now let us create this information and communications technology web page into an interactive one. So first of all, let me use my insert learning toolbar. I will click on this insert learning extension, and here you can see the insert learning toolbar. It has got several options, and we will look at these options one by one. It will ask you to sign in for giving you access to all the tools available in the insert learning extension. All right. So here the first one is assign. All right, we will get back to it later. First, we need to prepare our lesson. We will assign it later on. The first one is assign button. Okay, the first option available here is highlight text. The pen or a highlighter, you can say this highlighter button. When I click on this, I can highlight some important text from this web page. So wherever I like that this thing is important, I can highlight it. All right, so let us say I want to highlight the definition of ICT. This first section complete. Okay, so you can see the content of the first line has turned yellow. That means it has been highlighted. All right, now with this highlighter button, you have a lot of options available. So this is the first thing. You can see a brush here. When you click on the highlighted text, a brush is available. So when you click on the brush, you can change the highlight color. So it has changed to green, it has changed to cyan, and back to yellow. So whichever color you like, you can use it accordingly. Okay, then obviously the second button is delete button. If you want to delete this content, or you want to unhighlight this content, then you can unhighlight it. Okay, so you can delete, click on delete, and that content will be unhighlighted. You can see it here. All right, next you can see here is a plus button. Let's see what that is. Now it says enter a comment. Now when I have highlighted that content, if I want to explicitly add a comment, like I want to say this is the definition, and it's really important. All right, sorry, a spelling mistake there. Okay, so and also you can add some color, smileys. You can add some smileys if you want to. Okay, let's add a smiley here, or you can add anything from lot of emoji keyboard available here. All right, so let's click OK. All right. Now here you can see when where I have selected the text, there is appearing a purple box in which the content on which I have added the comment has been covered in this purple box. And now when the student, or whenever a student clicks on it, he or she will be able to view this comment that I have added. This is the definition, and it's really important. All right, so this is a comment added to the highlight section. Again, the delete button, you can delete this comment, or you can change the color. That's for the highlight option. All right. Okay. The comment will not pop up unless a student clicks on it. It will appear as a highlighted one in a purple color to show that there is a comment. When the student will click here, he or she will be able to see the comment. We'll look at the next option, which is a sticky note, in our next video.